is Grammy going to jump rope. Let's watch.
Will you stop giggling? Oh no. Check out my stone. Stay backy so Grammy doesn't. I need to shorten it. To shorten it, I have it in.
Here it comes. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it.
You come out here.
Why?
So you don't get hit with the jump rope and...
Watch it. Wee, wee. Yeah, wee, 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 wee. Ouch.
Jumping in water.
Grammy.
There's a puddle in the garage. You did that in the bathroom. No, there's a puddle in the garage. My legs were getting cool. I'm thinking, what the hell? See the puddle from your car? Yes.
Yeah.
Jeez. There, it's dry over there. There you go. Okay. And we go. I knew it was funny. Comes Daddy.